With the Torque Series film hand wrap, the idea was to design a product that was very thin and very light, but without compromising strength and durability. Everything Paragon learned developing various stretch films, and everything learned creating hand films specifically, culminated in the Torque Series hand film. The Torque products would probably not exist today if it weren't for the things learned along the way. The people at Paragon understand how much workers care for the product to be lightweight and durable, and how much they care about being able to use it in as many places and in as many ways as possible. It takes an industry leader to be able to take all the ideas and everything learned over the years to direct and shape the future of hand wrap.
Sometimes when you begin an experiment, you can walk away with a breakthrough, and that's exactly what happened with Torque. During a period of research and development, there was an unexpected variation in the blend process that extruded a much different film than originally expected. But it produced some unique properties. So rather than starting over, further experimenting took place that revealed it had some amazing characteristics not seen before. They were onto something, and they knew it. And the end result has totally revolutionized the industry.
Torque was engineered completely with the customer in mind, knowing that the single most important thing is the safe and secure transportation of a load from point A to point B at an effective cost. This inspired the creation of a film that's thinner, stronger, it's more durable, more footage per roll, with unmatched cling, hemmed edges, less waste, perfectly clear, easier to apply, and it works in almost any manufacturing environment. All of that happened because of the courage to take a risk and learn from mistakes. And along with that, the determined ingenuity to produce the film in a single inline manufacturing process from pellet to pallet.
One of the key things learned is that ease of use is extremely important. Conventional films are heavier and harder to unwind when applying. With Torque, it's much lighter and comes off the roll much easier. This provides enormous benefits to the worker over time, including reduced fatigue and increased overall operator productivity.
All of this comes in an amazingly thin, light, and durable design. A brand new roll of Torque Series hand wrap weighs between 2.5 to 4.5 pounds. That's an amazing 2 to 4 pounds less than conventional films. Torque Series hand wraps are twice as thin, but incredibly are 2 times stronger than the leading conventional films. That means with Torque, you can wrap a load easier, faster, and more securely. And of course, this means you end up with much less waste. But most importantly, you have the peace of mind your load will be intact when it arrives to its final destination. While it is really hard to design a film this thin and light, it is extremely difficult to make it this strong and durable. Paragon produces the Torque Series hand wrap film using an inline process that takes away unnecessary steps. This allows the production to be more efficient, and moreover, it creates a film that is much, much stronger. Paragon engineers were able to come up with a way to keep things simple and straightforward when producing Torque that makes it one of the most effective and innovative film products they've ever designed.
One of the key design elements implemented into Torque is the use of the hemmed edge. Having learned from conventional wraps that if you drop and damage the roll, chances are that it will lose a lot of its integrity and in return waste time and money because the product is practically rendered useless. With the durability of the hemmed edge, it allows you to drop, bounce, kick, or whatever, and it will still be 100% usable. And when you stretch it, you don't lose huge amounts of coverage from neck down as you would with conventional film. One of the things Paragon is proud of with the Torque Series wrap is that it's an extremely clear product with unrivaled clean technology. You just can't find a hand film this clear, this thin, and this strong, and with this much cling out there.
They custom designed every part of Torque, from hand selecting raw materials never before used in hand film to breakthrough engineering technology of the production process to the unyielding load protection. Everything comes together in perfect harmony, creating the perfect hand wrap for virtually any application. Torque has set a really high bar for where hand film wrap should be. You get a higher resistance to puncture and a better protecting film. You get a stronger, more durable product that is much lighter to handle, all in an extremely clear, thin design that is easier to apply, making the life of the worker that much better. It's really a breakthrough in technology. The incredible blend of material and its distinguished properties that creates first-class load protection for all applications. And when you compare cost versus load, it's the most affordable hand wrap film on the market. Paragon Film's expertise just keeps building from one development to the next. Years of engineering and developing and focusing completely on the production of machined and hand wrapped films ultimately enabled the creation and design of the Torque Series hand wrap film.